Let's also get you some of the highlights of what Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said in a fierce 90-minute speech. She's responded to Rahul Gandhi's Hum Do Hamare Do jibe. Sitharaman used the same slogan and said that the Congress uses it to support their Beti and Damad. Now, Nirmala also lashed out at Rahul, saying that he was a doomsday man of politics and anything he did only spelled trouble for Congress. Nirmala also countered Rahul's claim of the government only helping cronies. She said that Congress's schemes only favoured cronies, and she added that for the Modi government, cronies are the janta of the country. The finance minister also lashed out at Rahul for refusing to debate on the budget and also said that if Rahul cared so much about farmers, he should first help those farmers who were allegedly cheated by his damad, referring to the allegations against Priyanka's husband, Robert Vadra.
Congress party, sir, I'm sorry to take the name of a party on a debate during budget, gives birth to all these very good schemes, no doubt, very good schemes, but lacks the will to use them properly, lacks the will to use them openly and transparently. Moment that is given birth, misuses them to favor cronies. हम दो हमारे दो इसके लिए काम आता है. I'm very scared to think probably he's becoming the doomsday man for India. और हमारे दुख की बात यही है कि ऑपोजिशन जो पार्लियामेंट में स्ट्रांगली पोजीशन लेकर के सरकार को कटघरे में रख के प्रश्न पूछने का रोल करने वाले ऑपोजिशन आज डूमस्डे मैन के नेतृत्व में और डूमस्डे मैन जो रिपीटेडली अब्यूज करता है और देखो और सर मैं ये बात भी बोल रही हूं उस दिन No, you can't have this objection. You can't have this objection. You are bound to answer. Parliament may debate on budget. Sir, let them have the strength to accept this. Debate on budget happens traditionally. Budget debate happens every year. India's history में discussion on budget happens every year. I won't discuss budget. I won't discuss budget करने वाले opposition leader क्या role play करना चाहता है? There we don't do work for any damads. We don't do work for any cronies. We work for the common citizen who believes in the Prime Minister. Where are the cronies? They are very much hiding probably in the shadow of that party which has been rejected by the people. The shadows who were invited to even set up. Honorable member Shashi Tharoor is here, who belongs to the state, which under his party's rule, invited one of those big cronies who they remember every now and then, to even develop a port. They invited. No open tenders, no global tenders, no nothing. Invited. And they have the temerity to call us cronies, crony capitalists. You have the temerity to call us crony capitalists. You invited one of them, who you repeatedly call, and then say, please develop our port. Because there is no Damad living in Kerala. Damad lives here.
When our country has a new education policy which requires more financing, no answer. I had, and many others had also raised the question of the extortionate taxes on fuel, petrol and diesel prices, no answer. So what we got from the finance minister was not a budget reply but a political speech.
And listen into exactly what Rahul Gandhi had said when he'd fired the Hum Do Hamare Do jibe at the government in the Lok Sabha.
आज इस देश को 4 लोग चलाते हैं.
आप बजट पर चर्चा कर लें. बजट
पे कर रहा हूं सर, बजट पे आ रहा हूं. 4 लोग चलाते हैं. हम दो और हमारे दो. जैसे उस टाइम नाम सब जानते हैं. नो. आप बोलो.
आप डिस्टर्बेंस मत.
हम दो हमारे दो. ये किसकी सरकार है? हम दो हमारे दो.
And let's get you some of the biggest headlines from Nirmala Sitharaman's attack there at Rahul and her counter to the Hum Do Hamare Do jibe from Rahul Gandhi. First, Nirmala Sitharaman referred to Rahul Gandhi as a doomsday man, saying that he's a doomsday man for Indian politics and for the Congress. She also said that while Congress came up with some good schemes, they misused it and said that Congress's schemes and policies favoured cronies and also used the Hum Do Hamare Do jibe from Rahul to counter the Congress, saying that it was Congress's schemes that was all about Hum Do Hamare Do, referring to again the Beti Damad jibe that she fired later. Another attack that Nirmala fired at Rahul Gandhi is she said that the Congress party must introspect about who are the two people really taking care of the Congress party, again firing the Damad jibe. And finally, she also said that while Congress fires baseless charges, they then cry when confronted with hard facts by the government. So that's what Nirmala Sitharaman said in that 90-minute speech. Let me take this across to Anand Patel for more details. Anand, we've already gotten a reaction now from Shashi Tharoor, where in fact he slammed Nirmala Sitharaman, particularly because Ms. Sitharaman had made a mention of Shashi Tharoor and what happened with regards to the allotment of a Kerala port tender. But, as far as the Congress goes, they've been using the slogan of Hum Do Hamare Do for the last many days since Rahul Gandhi mentioned it in the Lok Sabha. And now you've got the government using their exact same slogan to counter the Congress.
Well, yes, you see the manner in which the finance minister responded to the allegations made by Rahul Gandhi on Thursday during his speech, during which he refused to speak on the budget. But he talked about the farm laws and he attacked the government on the farm laws, calling them anti-farmer and beneficiary for the corporates, flunging the Hum Do Hamare Do jibe at the Modi government. Nirmala Sitharaman today chose to respond to those allegations. The Congress party is saying that this is more of a political statement, political speech delivered by the finance minister. More was expected out of her because she holds a constitutional post. And it is her responsibility to respond to the doubts raised and concerns raised by the MPs during the discussion on the budget. But she chose just to respond to the allegations which were made by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. And look at the responses, it's tit for tat, the manner in which the finance minister has responded to Hum Do Hamare Do jibe of Rahul Gandhi by flunging the Beti Damad jibe at Rahul Gandhi and also saying that the cases which are going out in different states of particularly Rajasthan and Haryana of the against the land grabbing by Robert Vadra, relative of Rahul Gandhi. She also said in the same vein that Rahul Gandhi has least regard for institutions of the government. Be it the president's speech, he had complete disregard to the motion of thanks discussion and went on to discuss the farm laws instead. Right. He also said the Congress leader is in disregard with its own former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh when he had advocated farm laws. So she chose different instances. From UPA era also she mentions about the Manrega scheme. She said that the Congress party launched the great scheme but didn't provide enough funds. The Congress party has been saying that the NDA government rather had been trying to weaken Manrega, and it's only when the pandemic came that the government realized its importance. So it's back and forth from both sides. Barbs are flying back and forth. It's a political battle, and we'll see it more playing out when the parliament session gets over today.
And we'll track all the reactions coming in. Anand, thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.